I'm like, dude, I hate to say it, but life just gets harder. It doesn't get easier. You just your capacity grows, you know,
Right.
your problem solving capacity grows, your stress levels grow. If I would have the stress that I have now, as far as mentoring people online, my business, my employees, all of this stuff, just taking care of four kids and a pregnant wife right now, and managing finances with all that. Like, dude, if I would have had this pressure on me at 21, it would have crushed me, you know?
Yeah.
And that's the thing. It's just life is heavy, but I believe you make it harder on yourself when you just live in a perpetual state of negativity.
Right.
You live in addictions, you live in resentment. It just makes it harder. So it's like getting rid of those things, working on yourself, getting healthy, letting go of some hurts, some traumas, and accepting life how it is. That's ultimately how you can make the best out of every hard situation, you know?
That's awesome.